Well, hi, friends. Today we're looking at the Book of Proverbs in the 5-Minute Bible, and the year is 2024. This is the Onhus Institute of Biblical Studies. And me, I'm your old pal, PapaDale. I'm a retired pastor, teacher, theologian, and professor with over 50 years of service and experience serving the Lord Jesus Christ. Now, if you want to know more about me, there are other videos on this playlist, so you can go there and get some more information. But for now, let's go. This is the Book of Proverbs of the 5-Minute Bible. The Book of Proverbs is a vital part of the wisdom literature in the Old Testament, traditionally attributed to King Solomon, David's son, though other authors are also mentioned. It comprises a collection of sayings and teachings that offer practical guidance for living a life that honors God and reflects His wisdom. The book consists of 31 chapters, each filled with insights and instructions for various aspects of life, including relationships, work, morality, and spirituality. From an evangelical perspective, Proverbs plays a crucial role in understanding God's expectations for human behavior and the principles that govern a righteous life. The overarching theme of the book is the contrast between wisdom and folly, righteousness and wickedness, and Proverbs begins with a clear declaration of its purpose. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge. Fools despise wisdom and instruction. Proverbs 1:7. This foundational idea emphasizes that true wisdom begins with reverence for God. Proverbs offers practical advice on numerous topics. For example, it addresses the importance of honesty and integrity in business dealings. Proverbs 11:1, and the value of hard work. Proverbs 12:24. Additionally, it encompasses guidance on relationships, emphasizing the importance of choosing friends wisely, Proverbs 13:20, and nurturing a strong marital bond, Proverbs 18:22. One of the most significant aspects of Proverbs is its focus on the moral and ethical dimensions of life. It encourages readers to pursue righteousness and justice, underscoring the blessings that accompany a life lived in accordance with God's ways, Proverbs 21:21. Conversely, it warns of the consequences of sinful behavior and foolish choices, Proverbs 14:12. Throughout the book, the personification of wisdom as a woman calling out to people, Proverbs 1:20-33, serves as a powerful metaphor for the pursuit of godly living. This symbolic representation highlights the desirability and accessibility of divine wisdom for those willing to seek it. Now, from an evangelical standpoint, Proverbs is not just a collection of moral sayings. It reveals the character of God and highlights the importance of living in alignment with His will. It encourages believers to cultivate a spirit of discernment, making wise choices that reflect their faith and commitment to God. Proverbs can be seen as a manual for daily living, offering timeless truths applicable to every area. Moreover, the teachings of Proverbs find fulfillment in the New Testament, particularly in the person of Jesus Christ, who embodies ultimate wisdom. By following Christ's example and teachings, believers can gain a deeper understanding of the principles laid out in the book of Proverbs and apply them to their own lives. In summary, the book of Proverbs is a rich resource for those seeking wisdom and guidance in their daily lives. It emphasizes the importance of fearing the Lord, making wise choices, and living in a way that honors God. For evangelicals, Proverbs serves as a reminder of the practical applications of faith in everyday scenarios, encouraging believers to pursue wisdom and righteousness in all aspects of life. And so I'm your old pal PapaDale. This is the year 2024, and the lecture you just watched is the Proverbs lecture from the 5-Minute Bible for the Jan Hus Institute of Biblical Studies. And so until the next time I see you, this is your old pal PapaDale signing off for now, but saying I'm going to be praying for you that you will be well and that you'll be blessed.